Today I will be testing the Oxy Resolve. I have a stain here on my pans. It's grease. You can see it here and here. And we're going to use the Oxy to see if it will take it out. According to the Oxy pre-treatment, it can take out red wine, coffee, blood, oil, and it does not say grease, but I will go try it on grease, because if it can take out all of this, then it should be able to work on grease. So let's give it a try and see how great it works, or it doesn't. Just wanted to give you a close-up of the stain. Here it is, right there. And we have some little specks up there, a little bit here, and on the other side we have it right here. Okay, so we're going to work on it and see what the Oxiclean does. So here we go. Open the Oxy, and to use, we give it a little squeeze on the actual stain. Okay, so we just wet the stain where the stain is, and then we let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to leave it, let it work its magic. We'll come back and I'll let you know how it took the stain out, or if it was a negative. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, the instructions say to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm going to help mine a bit along since it's grease and the Oxy is not really for grease. Just to make sure that it's working, I will help it along a bit. So where the stain is, I'll take my brush and I'll just give it a little brush to get it in the fiber. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is. Okay, I can already see that it has taken most. Just give it a light brush where the spots are. And it is supposed to be great on colors. It will not fade it like bleach. So you should not be afraid to put it on your favorite clothes. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see what I'm doing, but as I brush it, you can see the grease coming off. So I'm sure when it's all done, the Oxy will work. There it is, perfect. It just needs to sit now for the 5 minutes. Okay, I can already see that it has taken most of it off. 5 minutes. It has been soaking for about 10 minutes. Now I will proceed to put it in the washer. I will be using my Tide to wash it and to rinse the Ultra Downy. So let's go ahead and put it in the washer. Open the washer, put the pans in, and then I fill my laundry detergent. Since it's only one, you don't fill it all the way to the top. And then I fill my softener, add my softener, and I will proceed to do a small load. I'll let you know when it's finished whether it's clean or not. And you can see that it's all clean. I'll go up and down both legs so you can see the Oxiclean did work. So I will give the Oxiclean a big thumbs up because it did take the grease out of my favorite pans. So any stain you have, go ahead and try the Oxiclean. It will not fade your clothes. It's good for colors as well as whites. That should be a standard item in your laundry room. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends and everyone that you know.